first order of the day. We've got a Jack in the Box. Ooh, I don't like the looks of that. I see 3 cars in the drive-thru already, and I haven't even pulled up yet, so if I get lucky, I'll be the 4th. But yeah, this is a Jack in the Box, $7 and change, going about 4 miles.
Hi, may I help you?
Bro, this place is popping today. What is going on? I'm still number 2 in line, and there are 3 other cars behind me now. Holy. Wishing I was on Earnbird time for this one. Oh, what the? That was all base pay. They must have ordered like an hour ago. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks. $13 going 7 miles.
Go right ahead. Everything's in there for you.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got this order right away. This is a different Starbucks. This one is $7 going about 4.5 miles. Hello. Lori.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vinny.
Ooh, why are you making me read? Blah, 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 blah. Driveway is kind of hidden. Oh, I love to hear that. Especially when it's super foggy and I can't see 20 feet in front of me. Hi, kitty. I don't know if you can see that cat sitting on the fence. I like how I mentioned that it was super foggy and I couldn't see a thing. No more than 10 minutes later, it's super clear. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. I think this is alcohol. Yeah, it is. $14 going 6.5 miles, only 1 item. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 3.5 miles. Manny?
Vinny?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you. Got another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $7 going 4 miles, only 1 item.
Welcome.
So that was a pregnancy test. Hopefully they get the results they're looking for. Looks like we're heading right back to Safeway. Got another shop and deliver. This one is $9 going 2.5 miles, 5 items. Going back to Safeway. This one is 2 shopping orders. $15 going 4 miles. I think it said 15 items. That's a lot of items, but most of them are like right next to each other, so it should be a lot easier than it sounds. Finally got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $7, going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Well, something came up, so gonna have to call it early today. Ooh, customer added a $2 tip to a previous Chick-fil-A order. That's the one that I just did. Thank you, thank you. Current time is 9:33. Total, we are at 91. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.